How to fix apps crashes on Android phone in 2022. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple. Go to your Android settings like this, and then you will find many options here. Scroll down and go to this apps option. Click on apps and click again on apps, and now all what you have to do is so simple. Let's wait a few seconds and now scroll down and click on Google Play services like this, and then all what you have to do is click on storage right here, and then click clear cache and go back again, and now scroll down again until you find Google Play Store. Let's search for it. Where is it? And I didn't find it, so I'm gonna search for Google Play Store. Here is it right here. Now click again on storage and click on clear data and clear cache and go back, then click on force stop, and after you finish, now go back and try your apps, and I'm sure this will work for you. If it didn't work, you can check our other videos for more solutions. Thank you so much for watching.